I've always had a dream of playing professional baseball. I was playing varsity baseball as a sophomore in high school. I threw a complete game. I threw 118 pitches in that game. And the next day, my arm didn't feel normal.
The diagnosis that Matt had, in medical terms, we say he had a UCL injury. And that is an acronym that stands for Ulnar Collateral Ligament, which is the ligament on the inside of the elbow. Does it feel like you have normal motion?
Yes.
Okay. We, as well as a few other major centers, have done some interesting population research. And what we found is that the incidence of this surgery, the Tommy John surgery, has gone up dramatically. And out of all of the age groups that it's gone up dramatically, the highest number is in our youth athletes, our teenagers.
Perfect. Go for it.
With individuals like Matt and other baseball pitchers, what we'd really like to do is figure out if there was something other than pitch counts that may also be predisposing towards injury. So we've started an initiative with a motion analysis lab looking at pitchers before injury, looking at pitchers while they're having some elbow pain, and then looking at pitchers after surgery to try to identify what factors may be playing a role in an injury to their elbow.
We've looked at large numbers of pitchers, and you can pick out certain risk factors for injury, help us determine how well rehabilitated he is, whether or not he's at risk for injury in the future. It allows us to pick out certain pitchers. Someone could come to the lab and we could say, because of the way you pitch, it's more likely you're going to have this injury, and this is how we can prevent it. I think it means the difference between a career that's budding and ends, and a career that's budding and continues on to something great.
I have no pain at all in my arm. I'm not sure I would be in the same position I am today if I had not found Dr. Romeo and got surgery from him. I know that my recovery went a lot smoother than a lot of other guys that I know who have had the same surgery, and I credit that to him.